Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off comments on Facebook post, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off comments on Facebook post, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to turn off the comments. Now guys, you can do it from two ways. Now let's go through the first one. At the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the three lined icons just with our small profile picture. Just below the messenger icon, tap on it. And over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, again there is the settings or the gear icon, tap on it. And over here you'll be required to scroll down until you can find followers and public content. Tap on followers and public content, and over here guys scroll down until you can find who can comment on your public post. Now guys, you can see the drop down arrow at the right side of that option. Tap on it and it will give you three options. One is public, one another friends of friends, and the last one friends. And now guys, you'll be able to turn off the comments for public and for friends of friends. That means that for a lot of persons the comment section will be turned off, but if you tap on the friends guys, only some of your friends on your Facebook will be able to comment, and for the rest of the public the comment section will be turned off. And another way is by guys, you'll be required to do that while you create a post. So on this interface, let's create a demo post. Now over here guys, at the top of the screen just below your name you can see there is the public option available for us. Tap on that public option, and over here guys you can see four options, which includes you can see your post. Tap on only me, and after that tap on none. And if you publish this post guys, this will be only be visible on your account to you, and no one will be able to see it also, and no one will be able to comment on it. So guys, these are the ways where how we can turn off the comments on Facebook post. And that being said guys, this is how to turn off comments on Facebook post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.